Let's talk about that family. You know the one. Won't answer emails, shows up defensive if they show up at all. And if you're lucky enough to get them on the phone, you're greeted with, "What now?" You hang up feeling frustrated, maybe even a little defeated, thinking, why are they so resistant? Don't they know we're trying to help? Beneath that frustration is a harder truth. What if it's a history of being dismissed, misunderstood, judged, shamed, or flat out ignored? And now here you are, trying to rebuild a bridge that's already been burned. If you've ever felt stuck trying to reach a family that just doesn't seem to trust the school, you're not alone. And you're not doing it wrong. Many families have legitimate reasons for their mistrust. Maybe they've had years of hearing only about their child's behavior. Maybe their own school experiences were traumatic. Maybe they've been promised things that never happened. And here's what we have to remember. Rebuilding trust isn't about being nice. It's about being different from what they've come to expect and consistent enough that they start to believe in change. We often talk about how we want families to partner with us, but real partnership doesn't start with permission slips or open house nights. It starts with repair, and repair starts with humility. Not, we need your support, but we understand that support requires trust, and we're willing to earn that. We can't demand trust from families. We can only build it brick by brick. Now here's how to start rebuilding those fractured connections, one real interaction at a time. Strategy number 1, lead with strengths, not just struggles. If the only time a parent hears from a school is when something's wrong, they'll stop answering. Make your first contact a strength call. Try, "Hi, I just wanted to share something great your child did today." Or, "I've noticed how much effort they're putting into this one area." See, I want you to start from a place of affirmation because it changes the whole tone. Strategy number 2, acknowledge the gap out loud. Sometimes you just have to name it. Try, "I know that in the past, communication from school may not have always felt supportive or fair, and I want to change that moving forward." It's not groveling, it's owning history. And that opens the door for something new. Strategy number 3, keep showing up, even when it's quiet. Trust isn't built in one meeting. It's built in the consistency of showing up, even when the response is silent. Keep sending the updates. Keep inviting them in. Keep saying, "We're here when you're ready." Because even if they're not responding, they're watching. And those actions plant seeds. Listen, rebuilding trust with families isn't always fast. It isn't always easy, but it is always worth it. Because when families start to feel like true partners, not just recipients of school decisions, everything shifts. Students feel it, teachers feel it, the culture changes. You don't have to fix the past, but you can help write a new future. So keep reaching out, keep listening, keep showing that your door isn't just open, it's welcoming, because belonging doesn't stop at the classroom door. It extends to every home, every caregiver, every family that walks into or away from your school. And you're building bridges, one honest, humble, hopeful conversation at a time.